There they are. So today I'm headed over to get my Delica from Coombs Country Auto. This is the loaner that they've given me. It's a Mitsubishi Pajero. It's a pretty nice little car, I like it. Anyways, so it's kind of turned into winter overnight. It's only about -3 though, so it's not that bad. But we're headed over to Coombs. New starter put in my van. And hopefully she's good to go. It's $900, but whatever. As you can see, Zoe is due today for her second load of puppies. Holy, there's always somebody there on this bloody road, man. Check it out. Go to Tim Hortons. Total Canadian thing to do here. Get our coffee. Yeah, we'll grab her coffee, something to eat, and be on the road in no time.
Proposer un outil supplémentaire. Penelope@radio-canada.ca si vous avez peut-être une expérience que vous souhaitez partager avec nous. En dernière demi-heure d'émission, vous le savez, le mardi, c'est la revue des revues. Marianne des Hôtels Marissal, le journaliste scientifique, sera avec nous.
Just coming over the hump, coming down the other side. It's Mount Aerosmith right up there. It's not too bad. I checked the camera before I left, and it was out, but look at that, eh? Socked right in up there. Mega snowstorm up there. Pretty amazing. So here we are. We made it. Here's my van. Look at that big one there. Coombs Country Auto. We made her. So here we go. Oh, it looks a little like something's wrong with it though. Yeah, this is the Delica boneyard, eh? There you go. Justin Trudeau's claim to fame, the bong store. Thank God we're back in Port Alberni. Tim Hortons, always fresh. Got our package here. Open it up when we get home. New starter. You can hear it. Hey, Poots. What are you doing, buddy? Same kind of idea. Thanks, Justin. You're the best, buddy. I'm gonna get baked now. Thanks to the government of Canada. Veterans Affairs. Whoop. Airborne all the way.
Back in the house. So it's a pretty smart strategy, but it's a very, very dangerous strategy for the country. We're in serious trouble.
And not only that, Larry, we've just had a viewer, Possum's Tab 10, has reported the channel because he or she did not like the image, which today is a obviously photographic political cartoon that shows Mitch McConnell stabbing Trump in the back.